Today is the day we have all been waiting for. Today is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court day, the 26th of September, Friday, 2025. And today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu made an appearance in court, and what happened today will shock everyone and leave you off your seat. As you are aware, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is set to face the no-case submission today to determine his future in the hands of the Nigerian government, as he has been in custody for many years. And the judge who scheduled this case to be on the 10th of October rescheduled it back to 26th, which is today, leaving many people surprised. So today is the final day. I will take you straight to the entrance Nnamdi Kanu made of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the courtroom. Look at Nnamdi Kanu there. Watch him very carefully because of the rumors surrounding his health. So I want you to take your time to look at him. Maybe you can drop a comment and tell me what you think about his health as the way you can see him. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Nnamdi Kanu is such a graceful man. Look at the way he's composing himself. Of course, paying respects to the lawyers. Smiling regardless of the pains he might be passing through. As you are aware, tumor, cancer, prostate, liver, kidney problem, congenital heart disease, leg problems, swollen. Oh my God. Every sickness he has on him right now is giving him so much pain. Yet, like a lion like he is formidable, he is strong and shows no signs of weakness because he stands strong for up to 80+ million in the Igbo worldwide, and he knows that he is the forebearer, he is the forefront of the Igbo race, and he knows that his strength is going to help keep us going strong at this trying time. Well done, our leader, for bringing up a very strong presence in the court. As we keep going on, you feel free to tell me what you think about his health as you see him physically in the court. You can drop it there and continue watching your video. As we keep on going, please take your time to also like this video. It's very important you do that. And if it's your first time, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification and select all to get notified whenever we release a video. This is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court day, and I'm about to tell you how it all went, the transcript, and everything you need to know that happened in court today. So whatever you're doing, I advise you to stop it and watch this video, or go and finish it up and come back to watch this video, because you do not want to skip a bit of it. So this is the transcript of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court, word for word as it went. Listen very carefully. So the court started today by 9 o'clock, of course, Nnamdi Kanu entering into the court, and the prosecution and the defense made their opening exchanges and their addresses. The lawyer from Nnamdi Kanu's side introducing himself, while the prosecution introducing himself also, getting ready for the day. So as the proceedings were about to start, Justice Omotosho decided to take off time to study the final judgment, giving the court a 10-minute recess. But in that 10 minutes, Omotosho took about 1 hour, 30 minutes before the court reconvened. And at that point, it raised a lot of red flags, because it wasn't supposed to be like that. Justice Omotosho, after 1 hour, 30 minutes of a recess, came out with a breaking news on the no-case submission. So listen very carefully to what Justice Omotosho said. Justice Omotosho ruled against the no-case submission. He threw it away from the court and said that in fact, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has a case to answer. Having said that, it means that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no-case submission did not succeed. And that means the implication is that the trial will continue. First of all, it's time to calm down and listen. I said it here very clearly the other day that Omotosho already knows the decision he's about to give today, and I meant it. Because there is no smoke without fire. I think he has just done exactly what they discussed in their high-level meeting for reasons best known to them. It is obvious that this judgment is a deliberate attack on the Igbo nation and Ndi Igbo worldwide. It is so clear, so brazen for all to see, at a time that Fulani herdsmen and bandits brandishing weapons and ammunitions in public, negotiating with federal government for amnesty, and also the federal government granting many of these terrorists amnesty, it sees no reason to release Nnamdi Kanu, who has not been found guilty at all or even caught with a weapon of such. In the judgment, Justice Omotosho said that Nnamdi Kanu has a case to answer. And I want to ask him, what case does Nnamdi Kanu have to answer? Is it the case that was corroborated by masked witnesses who did not even have, the guts to show their faces in public so that we can see people who are accusing us? Is it these masked witnesses who never ever had, even one evidence to show in the court or even have a story that could be corroborated in the court? Is it this same court that no single policeman, army man, or anybody who was a victim to these crimes that Nnamdi Kanu was accused of, is it the same court that nobody showed face to give a testimony? Is it the same court that they were always saying they have nothing to say, they have nothing to say, he has no comment, he has no comment? The masked witness, of course, was saying that all the time. I have nothing to say. So now, what did he say? What actually did he say? Because he had nothing to say. So is it nothing to say that you used as evidence to say that Nnamdi Kanu has a case to answer? Now, what are these cases he has to answer? Because the videos, for those of you watching me, I have done videos on these court sessions, and I have lots of them. Maybe you will go back and check the videos I have done before on Kanu's court case to see any of the cases there that the prosecution won or proved a point beyond reasonable doubt. Maybe. Because as far as I'm concerned, there is no case to answer on this particular issue. At this point, like I said many weeks ago, I expect Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers to drop this case and hands off and give everything to the federal government to do whatever they want to do with him. Because it is obvious that this is no longer a court trial, but this is a political witch hunt. It is funny that we are going to court with some people who are not going to court with us. Like somebody saying that you are dating somebody who is not dating you. We take it as a court case and we take the steps step by step. But these people are not taking it as a court case and they are playing it politically and they're keeping it politically while we are the ones who are following the process of the court. And that is why I say it is time to end this case. It's time to hand over, and I have said it because I saw Aloy Ejimako come out to the court to give a statement. I didn't really understand what he was saying because you are talking to Channels TV and TVC, giving them updates on what happened in the court. Oga, that's not what we want now. The case is over. Please, hand off this case. Hands off this case. I've said this before. If nothing short of victory is what we want now. Look at the video of him talking to the press. Look at it. Just look at it. Where are the sons? Where are the sons? Where are they? I guess they are even tired. They are tired. Why wouldn't they be tired? Because they know what's going to happen. They know what is going on. They are the ones that know when a case is following a process and when a case is following a witch hunt. The sons know. That is why they have been keeping quiet and hiding on this wire. Because they don't want to even bother themselves. So I repeat myself. It's time to hands off this case. It is obvious that the Igbos are not part of Nigeria. It's simple. And it's better a divide the country, let us go. Better. Divide the country, let us go. It's over. This is the height of shamelessness and wickedness. It can't happen anywhere around the world. Nigeria is the peak, the acme of injustice in the world. I don't want to talk too much today. Let me end it here. Type in the comment section your thoughts on what happened today. One thing I know for sure is that in the Igbo, we don't die. We always multiply. We don't fail. We always win. We don't go back. We always go forward. And in this one, we will surmount and we will overcome. Remain strong wherever you are. Remain resolute. It's just the beginning. I have been your host, Chi. Nay, do. Thank you for watching my video. So I'll see you next one. Peace.